Alright, I'm making a movie right now. Oh, ease up there and start fishing. Ease up there. Come on, get in the big pool. Alright, punch a bunch of them out there, man. There's fish in here. Somebody needs to catch a fish. Oh, he's chasing it, Will. He's chasing it. Hey, put your pole together. It's on film. Put your pole together. Kasie, try to chunk it as far up there as you can into the rapids. Make sure there's no goo on it. Good cast, good cast. Oh! Oh! Chunk it back out there, man. Don't come get it. Chunk it back out there quick. I'll get it again. Ah, very good cast there. You got just about have to make it hit the bank. Good cast, Will. Bring it down that bank. There you go. Ooh, it's a big one. Oh, he came off. Good try, good try. Do it again, Kasie. Try to get it right up against that far bank. They're hanging underneath that moss. There he is, there he is. All right, Will. Ooh-hoo-hoo. Way to go. Just stay on him. Stay on him. Oh, yeah. Nice fish. Nice fish. Bring him in, man. Bring him in so I can see him. Pull him up top. Oh, yeah. Excellent. 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 Casey's got one, too. Get him in, Kasie. Get him in. He's a good one. It's a white bass. You caught a white bass. What's he doing up here? Good job, Kasie. Good job, girls, boys, fisher people. There you go. Nice fish, Will. Nice fish. Oh, yeah, he's bleeding. That's all right. Hold him up so I can see him, Kasie. You're on film.
Woo! Look at that fish.
All right. Now that's the end of our movie.
Oh, we can make another one.
Oh, yeah. Took 3 minutes and 11 seconds to catch that fish.